happy that my mom got married today. I know that they are good parents, and I hope they keep on pulling this up, and I hope they have a good life.
Spring is here, sky is blue, oh, birds all sing as if they knew today's the day, oh, we'll say I do, and we'll never be lonely anymore. 'Cause we're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Bells will ring, stars will shine. Whoa, I'll be his, he'll be mine. We'll love until the end of time, and we'll never be lonely anymore. 'Cause we're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Yeah, we're going to the chapel of love.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against starlights. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby, dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song.
Los veo bailando con tanta ilusión, perdidos el uno en el otro de amor, enamorados completos los dos, no necesitan más. Antes era suficiente mi amor, yo era un héroe en su corazón. Ella significa el mundo para mí, así que protégela por favor. El tiempo pasó y la vida cambió, y hoy debo dejarla ir. Yo primero la amé, primero la abracé, y mi corazón todo se lo entregué. Yo la vi sonreír por primera vez, y desde ese momento mi vida cambié. Yo recé para que ella te encuentre. Debo dejarla ir, pero duele. Yo primero la amé. Y se me hace difícil creer que esta mujer increíble que ves sea esa niña a la que yo cuidé, a la que le cantaba al dormir. Hoy les deseo todo lo mejor, mas tengo...
I've known Sergio, Jesus, I think 2002, right? Has it been that long? You know, yes. I just turned 40. I think I met him, Jesus, I was about 24, 25. Damn, we've been through a lot. Wait your turn. No, but seriously, I owe a lot to Sergio. We were electricians. Actually, he was an electrician, and I just shocked myself all the time. We tried, and he's actually the one that actually encouraged me to be a DJ. You know, I remember the one time we were listening to one of our friends, Dexterous, on Power 106, where we're working in Laguna Niguel, and they called him Disastrous. I remember that. And then he was like, man, you're way better than this dude. He's like, why don't you just DJ full time? I'll take care of you for about, I think, like 2 months. Just do it. And then around that time, we DJed at a place, The Ville. That came along. And off of University in Riverside, you know, our friend Heaven, my brother right here, Lenny, DJed with us. And then here came Adriana. She came along and she didn't really like me. Let's be honest, she really didn't like me, like, at all. She was, yeah, she still doesn't. If you guys follow us on Facebook and all that, she knows we always crack each other up. But anyhow, after all that, I think I didn't see Sergio for about 6 months. And then he was like, dude, I'm with Adriana. And I was like, why? Like, and it was a good thing to do. I didn't think so, but no, I'm just kidding. No, and then after, you know, my parents retired and they moved away to Central America. I had, me and Lenny actually were supposed to live together, but then I don't know what happened with that. But then I asked, yeah, we got drunk, and then I asked Adriana if I could move in with them, and then I was like, dude, I'm just gonna move in with you guys for like 6 months, and it's been 9 years now. Pretty much. I was like, it's only gonna be like 6 months, and you know, I'll probably move back to Paris or I'll go do whatever, but it's been 9 years. But ever since that, like, seriously, Adriana has been like a little sister to me. Like, you know, I love both of them to death. They took me in, you know, I have my godson, which I love, Adrian. And yeah, we all have a perfect little family. Her family, Sergio's family, it took me in. Anyhow, I'm not gonna cry. I love you guys. Cheers. I'm never gonna get married, and I love the fact that you guys did. I love you guys.
One that's gonna cry up here, so I'm gonna keep it really short and simple and just say how much I love you guys. Oh, sorry. I love Adriana. We've been friends since we were in 3rd grade, and I've been through it all with her and through everything with Sergio and everything. And trust me, we also thought, what is she doing with Sergio? But there she goes, getting married. It wasn't just you, Danny. But we love Sergio. He's so amazing to her. Like, I love how much he loves her. They have a beautiful family. I'm so happy that they finally made it, like, on paper and official. You guys know how much I love you, and I wish you guys the best in the world. Love you.
I am the bride's sister. I am so very proud of you. Even though I didn't prepare this, I mean, I don't tell you enough how proud I am of you. And, right? Sergio, you couldn't have picked a better man, sister. Sergio, I love you for everything you've done for not just my sister, but for our family, for my mom, for my brothers, and you continue to put up with all of our bullshit. So, señora, no nada más mi hermana está, ¿dónde está la señora? No nada más mi hermana está aguantándole a su hijo, también su hijo nos está aguantando a nosotros. And for that, I want to say thank you, Sergio. I appreciate everything you've done for her. Continue to love her, continue to love each other, and I love you guys. Congratulations.
You've been our sister for a long time now, so you guys made it official, but the family welcomes you, welcomes your whole family, and we love all of you. Thank you.